Another video, even it's starting, another video for Aussie Bricks for the NC Chima squad. And I thought I'd use the Dark Alley Vegemite sound effect. Feels good. Okay, I got some quotes here. We were talking in the A4 room, so I made this one. The chima might be served cold, but the task of victory is shaken but not stirred, to let the freedom of the chima be released through the red gem, the blue glow, the silver ore. Let the chima be free. Wow, that place is crazy. Because I totally have a life, right? Douglas gives tea to Gordon. Lavelle throws tea into his bucket. You are getting crusty, old man. So punch a lot. Now is not the time. But oh, then again, I like chicken wings.